This is Rashtrabhasha model paper, question paper. So नमूने के प्रश्न पत्र राष्ट्रभाषा 1 paper 1. So 2.5 hour time and 100 marks total. So this is the poems. In this poems meanings you have to write in Hindi. So any two you have to write. For this two you will get 10 marks. So each one 5 marks. So in this 5 poems you have to write any 2 poems in Hindi. This is number 2. This poetry essays. In this 4 essays you have to write any 1 essay, 10 marks. This is by hearted poems 4. In this 4 you have to write any 2. For this 2 5 marks. So each one 2.5 mark. Next one, fourth one, this is ghazal. For this 4 also you have to write this bhavard, meaning in Hindi. So for this 5 marks you have to write 2. So 5 marks. So each one 2.5 mark. Next the fifth one is meanings. In this meanings you have to write any 5. If you know fully you can write fully also for this 10. So 5 you have to write for 5 marks. This is number 6. Make the sentences. In this 10 they gave. In this 10 sentences you have to write 5 sentences, 10 marks. So each one 2 marks. Next the 7th one is they gave the gadyamsh. In this gadyamsh only you have to find these 3 questions answers. So find out these answers in this one only. So for these 3 questions you will get 5 marks. Next 8th one, question and prose, question and answer. So this part fully prose. Question and answer 6 they gave. In the 6 questions you have to write any 2, each one 2.5 mark. So 5 marks. From this fully prose up to here. So in this essay you have to write saramsh essay. In this essay they gave 4. In this 4 you have to write any 1. For this 1 essay you will get 10 marks. From here onwards Ekanki will come. In this Ekanki essay 3 they gave. For this 3 you have to write any 1. This is also 10 marks. In this essay characters, here they gave 11th one. In this characters you have to write any 2. So each character 5 marks. So 2 characters 10 marks. Next 12th one is in this Ekanki question and answers. So write this question and answers any 2. For this 2 you will get 5 marks. Next this is Sandarbha Sahita Vyakya. Who said to whom, ERC also you can say. This 5 you have to write any 2 of you, each one 5 marks. So 10 marks you will get. This is the paper 1. Now we will go to the paper 2. This is paper 2 Rashtrabhasha 2. Time 2.5 hour and marks 100 marks. This is first one. You have to write kahani, story writing. In this story writing they gave 3. For this 3 you have to write any 1, 10 marks. Next 2 is you have to write Jeevani. For this Jeevani they gave 4. In this 4 you have to write any 1. For this 1 you will get 10 marks. Number 3, this is a Nibandh. In this Nibandh 4 they gave. You have to write any 1. For this 1 also 10 marks. So 10, 10, 10. Number 4, they gave meanings. For this meanings you have to make the sentences. So with meanings also you have to make 2 different sentences, not only same meaning. So 3, each one 1 mark. So 2 sentences, 3 2s are 6 marks. This is Samanarthi Shabd synonyms. In this synonyms 6 they gave. So 6 you have to write 6 marks. Next Vachan Badliye, singular and plural. In the singular plural also 6. 6 you have to write, no choice. For 4, 5, 6, 7, no choice at all. This is ling badliye gender. 6 they gave 6 marks. Full you have to write. Next one, 8th. They gave 3 sentences. For these 3 sentences you have to change the watch. So 2 you have to write. So 3 marks, 6 marks. Next, this is सूचना के अनुसार बदलिए. So they gave here how you have to write प्यास from प्यासा, जो to वह. So you have to add this one and change the sentences. For this 2 they gave 5 marks, so each one 2.5 mark. Next 10th one, this is lokokti. So for this lokokti 5 they gave, you have to write any 2, each one 5 marks, so 10 marks. This is प्रांतीय भाषा में लिखिए, हिंदी to your language, English, Telugu or any language. And this is sentences. This 5 also you have to write. So for this 5 marks and this is 5 marks. So total 10 marks. This is you have to translate it in Hindi. So they gave English, Tamil, Telugu, all the languages they gave. You have to translate in Hindi. For this one 15 marks. So this is the paper 2. If you like my channel, please subscribe and forward your friends and relatives. Thank you.